Page 22, Bring It Towards Jeanette, Isabella. Okay, 3/4 time 1 sharp, so it's either in G major or E minor. Look at the end at the bottom of page 23. The last couple measures, you're here. It's a G major chord, so I'm guessing this is in G major. Start with the right hand. 5th finger here, so you're here. And 1, 2. You have to cross over for the F sharp. Leave the thumb where it is, just 1 note. You have to be able to do this in piano. You want to get to where you can do it without looking. Lift up at the end of the line, it's a new phrase. Similar. Page 23. Here. The last measure, that first line, they went 3rd finger on the half note, so you got to come here. Just bring the 3rd finger over and be ready. Don't try and do this. Bring the finger over and have it over the key and be ready, and then you can move. And then lift up, reach down with the thumb, and now reach up with the little finger. And claps. And they're saying thumb, that's okay, or you can use 2nd finger, either one, because during the rest, you got time to move. And you can 2nd finger, and then 3rd finger. That's pretty much it. The left hand is all supporting chords and stuff, so keep it soft. Here. And that's tied. All 3 of those notes are tied, so you're going to hold them down for 2 measures. It's okay, the right hand will keep you entertained. It's got things going on. And then here. Not a lot going on. Let's go to the top of page 23. Here. Same position, it's just 1 note at a time now. There's no phrasing in the left hand. The phrasing is for the right hand, so you play the left hand legato. Unless you have a rest, connect the left hand as best you can. All the way through. At the end, the last 2 measures, then you come down for the G. So, put the hands together. We're here. I don't break both hands. I only do the phrasing in the hand that's indicated. You can lift at the end of the first line if you want to, but I don't. I connect the C with the chord. It's a little harder, but it's up to you. It's a personal thing. And then at the top of page 23. As I said, keep the left hand legato, just here. Like so. At the end, the last couple measures, the right hand is tied, so hold it down, like so. You work it out 1 hand at a time, and then you can put the hands together, and once you get to know it, and you speed it up, because it's allegretto. This is kind of a fun thing. Now, again, remember our natural accents. First beat of a measure is always the strongest, and you need to feel these 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you'll feel it, you'll play it. It adds so much to the music if you can just play it like the top of page 23. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Like so. I don't talk a lot about natural accents in these method book or these repertoire books. I do it more in the lesson books, but it's so important to feel the natural accent of these things as you play it. Now they show a little bit of pedal at the end. The last 2 measures, you push the pedal down right after you play the notes, and you hold it down and lift the pedal up with the hands. I'm not going to show pedal because that's all they're showing. And typically I'd say don't put pedal in here. If you're not going to use it anywhere else in the piece, don't use it here. However, in this case it helps because when you have to release these notes in the left hand to get that note. And we don't want to lose that sound. We want it all. Now there's a way I could finger it where I could have it all, but that's a little more, I'm not going to bother with that. Just hold the pedal down, go ahead and use the pedal so you keep all that sound going and then lift it up. I'd like to play this with you slowly just to make sure we have the right notes and rhythm. So I'm going to give us 3 counts and then we'll try it together. 1, ready, go. 1, 2.